This is a very affordable stun gun rechargeable by VIPERTEK, model VTS-989 in black. This is an unboxing video. I want to see what comes inside the box, and I really want to just see if it feels and looks cheap. If it does, I don't want any more, but if it doesn't, I want to get one of these for each of my kids to put in their cars and to have. So there's your rechargeable unit. There's the cable. All right, what else comes in here? There's obviously the carrying case with the stun gun inside. We'll get to that in a second. This is a greeting. If you have any problems, how to reach out to customer support, that's good. And then some basic instructions, operating, that's good. Okay, that's what's inside the box. Now let's look inside here at the actual stun gun. So first impressions, packaging is good. And my fear was it would feel too cheap. This does not. In fact, it has a little bit of a grip to it. I like that. It's lightweight, but it doesn't feel like it's just completely too light, and nor is it too heavy. I could take this on a jog. Okay, let's see. We got functionality here. We've got off, and then we've got flashlight, and then we have the to charge, and then I guess to charge, you're going to push this red button. It's going to scare my dog. Sorry, Ava. Okay. Sorry, girl. Yeah, no, I think this is exactly what I was hoping for. And at this price point, I am very happy with it. So hope that helps you in making your decision. I know there's lots of options. This was affordable. And of course, tons of reviews made me feel comfortable to get it. And now I'm going to get 3 more.